Hey guys, it's Alexander, and today I am showing you how I lit this neon light setup. Let's get started. So today's setup is really simple. I honestly only used 3 lights, one of which was a neon sign that I picked up at the 99-cent store for only $4. They had about 3 different neon sign options there, and I picked up all 3. I went ahead and rigged this up on a C-stand behind my talent. Also behind her, I had a large sheet of clear plexiglass that I actually sprayed down with a spray bottle with just some water. And this created a really cool background and foreground perspective. Also, the neon sign backlit my water so that way I could see every little bit of detail on that glass. And that's very crucial when lighting water, rain, or fog. You always want to backlight it with something. Also, this kind of projected the neon light a bit more because we had more of an area to see it. Now on the left side of my model, I went ahead and rigged up one of my Aputure 300Ds. I put this on a C-stand, got it up pretty high, and I put a strip softbox on it. I knew that I wanted a large source of soft light backlighting my talent, and so this was my go-to. Now, even though I wanted a large source of backlight, I didn't want it spilling everywhere. So I went ahead and added a grid to my softbox, and that way I'm not getting any kind of light spillage onto my background. Now the Aputure 300D is a really powerful light, so obviously I did not have that at 100%. That would have completely overblown the neon sign and it would have been a bad shoot. So I dimmed it down to about 50%. Now as you see on the front side of my softbox, I wanted to make this light extra blue, and so I went ahead and actually just clipped on some full CTB gel. And fun fact, for those who don't know, CTB means color temperature blue. And again, this gave me a really large source of some blue soft backlight, and that really helped at separating my model from the background. So on the right side, you see that I rigged up one of my light tubes that's red onto a light stand, and I just clamped it to it. It was super easy. And this just gave me some really cool red mood lighting on the face of my talent. Now as you see, I had my light tube about 2 feet away from my talent, and I did this on purpose. I wanted that red mood lighting to really feel direct on her face, versus spilling everywhere onto the background and places where I don't want it to go. And guys, honestly, that was it. A simple 3-light setup, which I wouldn't even count the neon sign as a 3rd light, but you can, because technically it is a prop light. But it was that easy, a simple 3-light setup that got me this really cool moody look. And the cool thing about this is that it's all continuous lighting. So if you wanted to, you can use this setup for photos or even for music videos. Also, I've mentioned that these tube lights that I use are not available online. So I want to go ahead and give you guys an option that you guys can use instead. Amazon has a pretty good selection of tube lighting, but I found that these options might be the best to help replicate my setup. And if you guys are interested in these, I have a link for both of them in the description below. And guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, guys, and also leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And last but not least, guys, if you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. It does help support it, and it keeps you guys updated each week when I release new videos. And guys, that is it. I'll see you next time. Hey, if you want to support the channel, we do have a Teespring account where we sell a bunch of merch like coffee mugs, t-shirts, sweaters, and more. And with every purchase, we get commission, which goes to help support the content that we bring you guys. Definitely check it out, guys, and start repping some swag.